started to use this lotion. At first it was a touching story because my skin started to get dark. And I was like, don't use my money to go and buy a problem like this. I was already thinking of discarding this lotion. First of all, this lotion alone will not brighten your skin. I've been talking about this particular lotion for some time now on this channel, but I have not given a proper review of this product. So today I want to give my own personal review of this Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow lotion. I know there are some people right now that want to purchase this lotion, but because they are seeing it everywhere, they're like, the way these people are, I think this product, are you sure that this product is good? We get to know about it today. If this product is worth your money or if it is not. So if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Favor. On this channel, I do product reviews and I give skincare tips. So you want to stick around. We're going to go straight into the video. Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow lotion, and this lotion comes in a 400 ml bottle. I think this is enough. Visibly radiant and even skin tone in 2 weeks for all skin types. We have quite a lot to talk about on this lotion. I'm seeing some other expectations here behind the product. 48-hour moisturization for dry skin, visibly radiant and even skin tone in 2 weeks. Helps repair and reduce dark spots. Helps protect your skin from further sun damage. Helps smoothing and even out special care areas like the elbows, knees, and knuckles. So as we all can see, this is a vitamin C lotion. I said 95% pure vitamin C. Contains turmeric and pearl extract, and this ingredient is really okay, what to expect from my own experience, because I love vitamin C. I didn't buy this lotion because I was seeing it everywhere. I bought it because I love vitamin C, and I used to use Dr. Teal's body lotion before now, but because of the price, it's like I was confused on which of the lotion I should get, whether I should get the Face Fact Vitamin C lotion or I should get this Nivea Radiant and Beauty. So when I looked at the ingredients in this lotion, I decided to pick this particular one. I was like, okay, let's go. I've not seen Nivea produce this one before. I said, okay, I'm gonna try it. So guys, I bought this lotion and I started to use this lotion. At first it was a touching story because my skin started to get dark. And I was like, don't use my money to go and buy a problem like this. I was already thinking of discarding this lotion. First of all, this lotion alone will not brighten your skin. As you can see, it's an empty bottle. So to tell you that I have used up this one, I decided to try a different method, a different approach to the lotion, because I mean, I bought this lotion for 5,500. I know it's not much, but it's something. So I was like, no, this lotion, I will use this lotion and I will exhaust it. I went to a skincare store and I was looking around for brightening soaps. I got this Ashanti papaya and honey soap. Also got this drip carrot and brightening soap. Check out. So I will tell you from my experience, you want to use this lotion and get your desired effect. First off, you are going to exfoliate your skin. Yes. You're going to add a brightening oil, and you are going to add that oil for 2 reasons. Number one, it is boldly stated here that 48 hours moisturization for dry skin. This lotion, I tell you with my full chest, will not even moisturize your skin up to 12 hours. Yes, it's that bad. And they are now saying for dry skin, you need to add that oil for extra moisture, especially if you have a dry skin and maybe you saw this lotion and you're like, I love this lotion, let me purchase this lotion. You have to use it with a body oil. And secondly, you use it with a body oil because you want to increase the brightening effect. Yes, when you are using a body oil with a body lotion, be rest assured that your skin is going to be different from somebody that is just using a body lotion. Imagine exfoliating your skin using a brightening body soap alongside this lotion and a body oil. Just imagine how your skin will look. Yes, I tried it. So I'm going to put up that picture on the screen for you to see how my skin was while I was taking those steps that I'm telling you now, so that you don't also say, this lotion that people have been hyping since, this lotion did not work. So there are affordable brightening soaps you can use. You can use this other soap too, this turmeric soap that contains salicylic acid. You can also use it. You can also use this Ashanti, like this is the most affordable brightening soap. Any soap that you know that will brighten your skin, that contains brightening ingredients, you can use them alongside this lotion. Also use this drip carrots brightening soap. Then this is my second bottle now. I'm using it currently with the kojic sand soap. That is the soap I'm using it, because you know kojic acid itself is an effective brightening agent. So imagine combining kojic acid with vitamin C. Yes, just imagine. So I decided to opt for the kojic sand soap on this my second bottle, and I love the effect on my skin. Brightening body wash. Like we have quite a number of good brightening body wash. We have the Easy Glow body wash. We have the Fit Gold amino acid with glycolic acid body wash. But ensure that you get the original of these products, because a lot of fakes are out there in the market, so you don't damage your skin. Use this lotion with the Palmer's Cocoa Butter body oil, because it contains shea butter and cocoa butter. But if you know you don't have dry skin and you want to brighten your skin, you can use the vitamin C body oil gel. You can use soft 7 turmeric oil, because these are oils I've used. You can use the Vidgo turmeric oil. You can use the Vaseline vitamin B3 body oil. There are quite a number of good body oils out there that you can get and use alongside with this lotion. To my returning subscribers, I am happy to see you again. Thank you for always stopping by. See, I could not have done this without you. You know, it's not easy on this YouTube street. That is it for this body lotion. I have come to the end of this video. So thank you for watching, and please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like and share to those that you know will need this video. Till I come here next time.